Hello everyone. How's everything do today? I hope you are healthy and happy. Today I would like to share my thoughts about the health and how we can take better care of ourselves. Recently, there has been a lot of discussion about the cooking all year safety. We can leave the final judgment to the experts. But it reminds me of one important thing. Our health is our own responsibility. Our health is our own responsibility. Do you agree? Yes. I joined a Toastmaster outing yesterday. Before I left, I bought 10 bundles of the sweet potato leaves. They were ground by a member of our Wu family. The leaves were not perfect. Some of them has a small hole made by insects. That's why exactly I want to buy them. To me, they look more nature, fresh, and safety. I gave one bundle to each family. I hope I was not only giving vegetable, but also sharing health and my care. Today, my brunch, I cook half of the bundle of sweet potato, perhaps like this, the background. It just costs about 15 Taiwan dollars. I ate some extra virgin olive oil, one spoon soy sauce, and a little pepper seasoning. It became a very simple but delicious healthy meal. I also prepare my favorite salad, including two boiled egg, chickpeas, mixed nuts, dried cranberry, avocado, banana, guava, and pickled green potato. Also some oats. For my main food, you might curious if I had a main food. Yes, I had a half a baked sweet potato. Then I made a cup of coffee. I make a tea. This was my satisfying brunch today. Eating health not have to be expensive, spend much money. One of my best habits is simple. I like cooking at my home by myself. To arrange a nice meal and enjoy that moment, I feel very happy. I really eat out since I was young. I really eat out. Not because the restaurant is bad, but because I don't know what oil or seasoning are used. Sometimes I feel thirsty after eating out. So most of the time I enjoy cooking in my own kitchen. I like to arrange the food beautifully and take a photo, upload on my Facebook. Even if I eat alone, I can still make it feel very special and atmosphere. I play the sound music, I make a pot tea or a cup of coffee, or I eat them slowly and enjoy the slowly filling tempo that that's. I drink about 2 liters of water every day. When I feel tired, even midnight, I also enjoy a pot of the oolong tea because maybe you know that the good tea is a good for our health. Another thing was I prefer to write articles and turn my home into a little cave. I enjoy spending time alone. Being alone doesn't mean being lonely. Being alone doesn't not mean being lonely. It is a totally different meaning. It means more time to take care of both of your body or your mind. So today I would like to share my way of living for years. A lifestyle of beauty and preventive health. Good health is not about buying expensive health supplements. I don't think so. It is about the care of yourself a little more every day. Every day is very important. Take charge of your own health. Even one person can eat well, like me. Even one person can live well, like me. Let's enjoy Aloha's lifestyle together. A life that is healthy, simple, and joyful. If today's story inspires you, please share it with someone you care. Thank you for watching. I'm Nancy Wu. I am happy to see you next time on Full Virtue of Life. Bye.